So, Alhamdulillah, it has been one of those days. You know what kind of day I'm talking about? I'm talking about the type of day where, like, everything goes the way you don't like it to go. I'm not going to say bad things happen, because inshallah, whatever happens to a believer is good. But, you know, the things that you don't want to happen, and they happen one after the other, and that's the kind of day it's been today, alhamdulillah. But, you know, I just got off the phone from a very good friend of mine. He's like a psychiatrist, a psychologist, something to do with mental health. And he was just telling me some stories about what's going on in the world today, like Muslims in the Western world, in the UK. And of course, we're in a desperate, difficult situation. And it's really, really sad, the kind of things that they're in. And I'm saying that even after the day I've had, when I look at those things and I hear about those stories, it makes me realize how blessed we really are. Like, blessed beyond, like, being able to even comprehend how blessed we are, alhamdulillah. And you know, this is not hard to see if we just open our ears and open our eyes and look around and reflect on things. And sometimes we're all guilty that when we have a bad day, we don't do that. But even when we have a bad day, as Muslims, we say alhamdulillah. And alhamdulillah ala kulli hal, in every single situation, all praise is to Allah.